Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your cargo van capital. Today we're looking at a 2016 Ram ProMaster 2500. It is the high roof. Under the hood, we have the 3.6 liter V6 gas engine, 2x4 automatic transmission, and this vehicle only has 138,000 miles on it. Inside the cabin is impressive. It comes with all the bells and whistles you've come to expect, including a Ram Products tablet mount. The factory passenger side seat has been removed and replaced with a space-saving jump seat. This creates all sorts of room as you're going through your cab access door to the cargo area. Very handy for frequent deliveries and needing to get to your packages fast. Right here you can see just how spacious this cab is. It's very hard to find in any other cargo van setup. And back here in the business section, you have fold-up shelves, E-track, storage bins, drawers, thick shelves, LED lighting, and about 11 foot of cargo length. This van is very well equipped. So give us a call at 405-912-5800 or stop by and visit us here in Oklahoma City.